good time since you know when. Got talked into going out with hopes you were staying in. And I was feeling like myself for the first time in a long time, till I bumped into some of your friends over there talking to mine. Then you rolled in with your hair in the wind, baby, without warning. I was doing alright, but just your side had my heart storming. The moon went hiding, stars quit shining, rain was driving, thunder, lightning. You wrecked my whole world when you came and hit me like a hurricane. You hit me like a hurricane. Knew it was gonna be a long night from the moment when we locked eyes over whiskey on ice, started talking about us again. And if I would've just laid my drink down and walked out, well, I wouldn't be in my truck driving us to your house. But you rolled in with your hair in the wind, baby, without warning. I was doing alright, but just your side had my heart storming. The moon went hiding, stars quit shining, rain was driving, thunder, lightning. You wrecked my whole world when you came and hit me like a hurricane. You hit me like a hurricane. Category 5 with your smile blew me away, and girl, it ain't but midnight. You done killed the lights, bend my heart back to your bedside. Then you rolled in with your hair in the wind, baby, without warning. 'Cause I was doing alright, but just your side had my heart storming. The moon went hiding, stars quit shining, rain was driving, thunder, lightning. You wrecked my whole world when you came and hit me like a hurricane. You hit me like a hurricane. You hit me like a hurricane.
Where'd this guy even come from? This guy's 3 #1 hits on the radio. And, oh yeah, by the way, he didn't even pick up a guitar till he was 21. I can still remember him playing small shows around North Carolina. What an amazing journey for this guy. Luke Combs, here's his latest. She got the best of me. 17, you don't think that much about life. You're just living like kerosene dancing around the fire. But you're in, so you jump right in, ain't afraid to fall, and you give it all. She got the best of me. She broke my heart, now all that's left of me is beating in this guitar. Every night a different town, she follows me around. So you get what's left of me, yeah, you get what's left of me, 'cause she got the best of me. I picked myself up off the floor and found something new, worth a living for, in a old dusty hand-me-down 6-string a couple chords. I'm getting over her a little more with every song. See, I'll sing along. She got the best of me. She broke my heart. Now all that's left of me is beating in this guitar. Every night a different town. She follows me around. So you get what's left of me. Yeah, you get what's left of me. 'Cause she got the best of me. She got the best of me. She broke my heart. Now all that's left of me is beating in this guitar. Every night a different town. She follows me around. So you get what's left of me. Yeah, you get what's left of me. 'Cause she got the best of me. 'Cause she got the best of me. She got the best of me. We shut it down again. They're locking it up. Stumble through the gravel till we get to my truck. You're laughing in the darkness as I fumble for the keys. Open up the door and climb up in the seat. And I don't know why we can't get it right. It's like trouble's gonna find us no matter what we try. And I don't give a damn anymore if the whole town knows. I just wanna hold on to you and let go. There ain't no kind of pain few drinks can't erase. Talking about forever.
All right, this is Gambler. He's a 8-year-old red roan. Walked up there, caught him in his lot. He just had his head down, didn't spook, didn't turn away, just kind of hung out, real friendly. Brushed him off, saddled him up, all that good stuff. He never had any setback to him. Tied up good. He didn't act watchy on the ground, no nothing. Picked up all of his feet. Seems like he'd stand real good for a shoer. Didn't fight me one time. Rode him through the course. Just come across a bunch of different obstacles, crossed logs, and rode through the creek bottom and stuff like that. Rode around real gentle, real safe, open gates. Overall, being an 8-year-old, I mean, I think he'd make a good head horse prospect. I think they've checked the dummy on him a little bit, stuff like that. But just from riding him around today and moving him around, he picked up both leads real good. I mean, I think he'd be safe for a lot of people to ride. But overall, a really good horse.